Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add RSI indicator on TradingView. If you're new to the RSI, it stands for Relative Strength Index. It's a momentum oscillator that helps you quickly gauge when a market might be overbought or oversold, giving you a clearer sense of potential turning points. In simple terms, it measures the speed and change of price movements, which can help you spot when buying or selling pressure may be getting exhausted. The best part is that adding it to your TradingView chart takes just a moment, and you'll be able to see it underneath your price chart right away. With your chart open, look to the top left of the screen and click the Indicators button. Before you do that, just make sure you're on the correct asset and time frame you actually want to analyze, whether that's crypto, stocks, forex, or indices. Depending on your layout, it may read Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, but it's in that top area above your chart tools. Clicking it will open a panel where you can search for any indicator you want, which makes customizing your chart fast and beginner-friendly. In that search bar, type RSI. As you type, you'll see results populate below. The built-in option from TradingView is usually called Relative Strength Index and sits under the Built-ins or Technicals section, making it easy to find. This is the standard version most traders use and reference. You'll also see a list of community-created versions if you're interested in alternatives, which can sometimes include additional visual features or modified calculations. Now select either the default RSI or a community-created indicator and simply click on it. The moment you do, it will immediately appear on your chart. The standard RSI shows up in its own panel beneath the price, with a line oscillating between 0 and 100, and levels commonly marked at 70 and 30. Typically, when RSI moves above 70, traders consider the market potentially overbought, and when it drops below 30, it may be considered oversold. You don't need to do anything else for it to display. It's ready to go as soon as you click. If you're considering a community script, take a quick glance at the author's name, the number of uses, and the description to make sure it suits your needs. Many community versions add features like alerts, color changes, or additional signal lines. If you prefer a straightforward trusted option, the built-in RSI is more than enough for most traders and is a great place to start, especially if you're still learning how momentum works. And there you go. That's all it takes. You've opened the Indicators panel, searched for RSI, selected the version you want, and it's now visible on your chart. From here, you can start observing momentum alongside price action. For example, you might watch how price reacts when RSI approaches the 70 or 30 levels, and see whether it lines up with support or resistance areas. If you'd like to explore settings later, you can do that from the indicators options, such as adjusting the length period. But for now, you're all set with a clean, default setup that works right out of the box. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick walkthrough helps you get up and running with RSI on TradingView.